asking for directions to the restroom. Excuse me, may I ask you a quick question?
Of course. How can I help you today?
Where is the nearest toilet in this building?
There is a clean toilet on the second floor.
How do I get up to the second floor?
You can take the elevator right behind you.
Oh, I see the elevator doors now.
Take it up to floor 2 and turn right.
Turn right after exiting the elevator. Got it.
Walk past the bookstore on your left side.
Okay, walk past the bookstore.
The toilets are right at the end of the hallway.
Are there clear signs on the doors?
Yes, there are big signs on the doors.
That is very helpful. Do I need a key or code?
No, they are completely open and free to use.
Is this building usually this quiet and clean?
Yes, our staff cleans the rooms every 2 hours.
That is wonderful to hear.
Is this your first visit to our center?
Yes, it is my very first time here today.
Welcome. What brings you here today?
I am meeting my friend at the ground floor cafe.
That cafe serves fantastic fresh coffee and pastries.
Oh, I will definitely try a cup after.
Have a wonderful visit here today.
Thank you so much for your directions.
You are very welcome.
Up right, past the bookstore, then at the end.
Perfect. You won't miss it.
Thanks again, goodbye. Buying a train ticket at the station.
Good morning, I need to buy a train ticket.
Good morning, where would you like to travel?
I want to go to Manchester this weekend.
Will that be a one-way or round-trip ticket?
A round-trip ticket, please.
When would you like to return back home?
I will come back on Sunday evening.
Let me check the available weekend schedules.
Thank you so much for your help.
There is a morning train at 7:30 a.m.
7:30 a.m. is perfect for my schedule.
The journey takes about 2.5 hours.
That is very fast and convenient.
For Sunday, there is a return train at 6 p.m.
I will take the 6 p.m. return train, please.
Would you like a standard or first-class seat?
A standard seat is fine for me, thank you.
Do you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat both ways, please.
How much is the total price for the ticket? The total round-trip price is $45.
That is a very reasonable price for the weekend.
Would you like a paper ticket or digital ticket?
A digital ticket sent to my phone, please.
Please tell me your mobile phone number.
My phone number is 555-2341.
I just sent the ticket to your phone now.
I see the digital ticket on my screen.
Please arrive at platform 4 15 minutes early.
I will be there on time, thank you very much.
Sorting out shared bills with a roommate. Hi, can we talk about our apartment for a minute?
Of course, is everything okay with the place?
Yes, but we need to discuss our shared bills.
I agree, our current way of paying is a bit messy.
Sometimes, I forget who paid for what each week.
How about we use a phone app to split expenses?
That sounds super practical and easy.
We can type in each bill and it calculates automatically.
What specific bills should we split equally?
We should split internet, electricity, and water bills.
That makes complete sense. What about grocery food?
We should buy our own personal food items separately.
Yes, only share basic items like milk and trash bags.
When should we settle the total payment each month?
Let's settle everything on the first day of the month.
Perfect, a regular date keeps things clean and simple.
I have one more small request about the apartment.
Sure, what is on your mind?
The television volume is a bit loud late at night.
Oh, I am so sorry, I didn't realize it was loud.
I have to wake up very early for work tomorrow.
I will wear my headphones late at night from now on.
Thank you so much for understanding.
Thank you for talking to me openly about it.
Communication makes living together so easy.
Yes, we make a great roommate team.
I agree. Have a wonderful evening.
You too, good night.
Asking for bus directions at a stop. Excuse me, am I at the right bus stop?
Hello, where are you trying to go today?
I am trying to find the City History Museum.
Yes, you are at the correct bus stop.
Oh, that is such a relief. Which bus do I take?
You need to take bus number 7.
Bus number 7, how often does it come?
It comes every 10 minutes throughout the day.
When does the next bus arrive here?
Let me check the electronic display board.
Thank you very much for checking for me.
The next bus will arrive in 4 minutes.
Great timing. How long is the ride to the museum?
The bus ride takes about 15 minutes total.
How will I know which stop is the museum?
There is a clear screen inside that announces every stop.
Is the museum building easy to spot from the road?
Yes, look for a big white building with tall columns.
Big white building with tall columns. Got it.
How much is the bus fare for one ride? The fare is $3 one way.
Can I pay the driver with cash coins?
Yes, exact change or small bills work best.
I have 3 $1 coins ready in my hand.
Perfect, look, here comes bus number 7 now.
Thank you so much for all your helpful directions.
You are very welcome, enjoy your museum visit.
Thank you, have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, safe travels.
Fixing a seat mix-up on an airplane.
Excuse me, I think you might be sitting in my seat.
Oh, really? Let me check my ticket card.
My ticket says seat 14 by the window.
Let me check my boarding pass again. Oh,
What does your boarding pass say?
it says seat 14C. I misread the letter.
14C is the aisle seat right here.
I am so sorry about the confusion.
That is completely okay, these letters are small.
I will move my bag to seat 14C right now.
Thank you very much, I really appreciate it.
Do you always prefer sitting next to the window?
Yes, I love watching the clouds and view outside.
I actually prefer aisle seats much better.
Really, why do you prefer aisle seats?
It is much easier to stand up and stretch my legs.
That makes a lot of sense on long flights.
Are you traveling for business or vacation today?
I am traveling for a short weekend vacation.
That sounds exciting. Where are you going?
I am flying to visit a famous coastal city.
I hope you have a fantastic and relaxing vacation.
Thank you, I am glad we fixed our seating easily.
Me too. Have a safe and comfortable flight.
You too, enjoy your flight.